How to turn on Wi-Fi calling on Android. This tutorial shows you how to make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Connections to open the connection settings. From there, tap on Wi-Fi calling to open the Wi-Fi calling settings. At this point, toggle it on to enable Wi-Fi calling on your device. In the next step, a prompt may appear asking you to enter or confirm your emergency address. Go ahead and fill that in, as it is required to activate the feature. Following this, once the address is confirmed, Wi-Fi calling will be fully enabled, and your device will automatically use your Wi-Fi connection to make and receive calls when your cellular signal is weak. Once done, make a test call to confirm that Wi-Fi calling is working properly on your device. From here, keep in mind that your carrier needs to support Wi-Fi calling for this feature to be available. If you don't see the option, it may not be supported on your current plan. At this stage, also keep in mind that Wi-Fi calling works best on a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection, so make sure you're connected to a reliable network for the best call quality. Finally, whenever you're in an area with poor signal but have access to Wi-Fi, your device will automatically switch to Wi-Fi calling without you needing to do anything manually. And that's it! If this guide helped you turn on Wi-Fi calling on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.